Welcome to Fix My Wi-Fi Now. Please subscribe the channel for your one-stop guide for free Wi-Fi troubleshooting, fast setup tutorials, and expert help. Let's begin. Want to boost your Wi-Fi signal? Here's how to easily set up your Roqrl Wi-Fi Extender in just a few minutes. Start with unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the Roqrl Extender and a quick start guide. Step 1. Plug the extender into a wall socket between your router and the area with weak signal. And then, wait for the power and Wi-Fi LEDs to turn solid. This means it's ready to pair. Step 3. Now press the WPS button on your router. Then press the WPS button on your Roqrl extender within 2 minutes. Once connected, the Wi-Fi light will turn solid. You're now connected. If WPS doesn't work, don't worry. Connect to the Roqrl_EXT network and go to 192.168.10.1 in your browser. Next, log in using admin as username and password. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and save. Setup done. Now, unplug and move your Roqrl extender to your desired location, then test the speed. Need more help? Call us for free troubleshooting or drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more Wi-Fi fixes and tips. Thank you for your time and patience.